viewers, welcome to my channel Gourmet's Delight, and this is Faiza. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. And today I'm going to teach you a very delicious dish, a festive dish, a very delicious sweet, that is the Motichoor Laddu. I hope you will definitely enjoy watching this. So let's do it. Let's get started. First and foremost, I'm going to take an aluminium container like this, and let me just fix this well. And to this, I'm going to take a toothpick and just prick it inside. Just like this. So this is done. Now I'm going to keep this aside. If you want, instead of toothpick, you can also go with the safety pin. You have to put very tiny holes into this pan. I'm going to add around half cup sugar and 1 cup water. I'm going to cook this well for up to 5 minutes, and I'm going to check whether this becomes to one string consistency. So can you see this bubbling? This shows that the syrup is cooking well. Now to this, I'm gonna add a dash of lemon juice, around 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice, that's it. This is to avoid crystallization, as this is a thick syrup. And a generous pinch of saffron strands. This is for the aroma and the flavor. Along with this, you can also add cardamom powder, but I don't like the smell of cardamom, so I'm not going to use that. Instead, I'm going to go with only saffron. I'm going to stir this well. So our syrup is almost done. I'm going to turn off the stove. Can you just see the last drop must fall very slowly. One string consistency. I have kept another wok in which I have added some oil for frying it. So I'm going to on this. And I'm going to keep this on low flame, and let us prepare the batter now. Our syrup is ready and oil is getting heated. Now I have taken a mixing bowl. Into this I'm going to add 1 cup chickpeas flour, that's the gram flour, or call it as besan. To this I'm going to add a pinch of baking soda, a pinch of salt. I have added salt just to balance the flavor. Few strands of saffron. 1 or 2 pinches of orange food color. Let's mix this well. And now I'm going to add water gradually as required. And mix it again. So our batter is ready. It must be like this. The consistency must be like this, not very thick, not too runny, but it must be slightly thin, like this. So I added approximately 3/4 to 1 cup of water, between 3/4 and 1 cup. Now to this, I'm going to add a pinch of cardamom powder. This is totally optional. If you don't want, you can just avoid this, but just I'm adding it only for the flavor. So now our oil has heated. I have kept it on medium flame, and now I'm going to take this and I'm going to pour the batter into this. So I'm going to fry only for a minute. So this is ready. This has become crispy. Now I'm going to strain this. I'm going to transfer this to a plate. I'm going to pour this back again. So I've turned on the heat of the sugar syrup. I've kept it on very low flame, and now I'm going to put this boondi into this, the laddu crispies into this. Sugar acts as a binding agent, so this will, through this, we can just shape our laddus. I'm going to stir this well, just blend it well. I'm going to cook this until the sugar syrup is completely almost drained. Our laddus will become firm. So this is done. I've cooked this for 5 to 6 minutes. Now I've turned off the heat. Now I'm going to leave this to rest for 8 to 10 minutes. Then we will give shapes to our laddu. So I've transferred this into a plate. Now I'm waiting for it to cool. So this has almost cooled now. It's almost 8 minutes. Now let's shape our laddus. So my Motichoor Laddus are ready over here. Now let's do the plating for the laddus. So into a disposable ramekin, I'm going to place the laddus. Now let's give a final touch for our Motichoor Laddu, as it's festive season, so let's give it a festive look. So I have this edible gold leaf, so I'm going to just put that on the laddus. And lastly, some pistachios for the garnish. Some slivers of pistachios. So my Motichoor Laddus are ready to be served. If you like this recipe, please do subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family too. And continue to show me your support.